Okay, students, today I brought you one new topic regarding circle. In this topic, I will explain you what is how if the radius is given to you, how to find out the diameter, and from diameter how to find out the circumference. If they gave you circumference, how to find radius and diameter. Like these sums, I will explain you in these types of sum I will explain you in this video. Okay, first one is complete the table below. In the first question they have given you the radius, you have to find out the diameter and circumference. You already know that diameter, if I draw this circle, then this is the radius and this is the diameter, means diameter is double the radius. Okay, now see here. Now I am explaining you. The diameter. How to find out the diameter? The formula for diameter is radius into 2. Why I took here 2? Because diameter is double the radius. That's why I have taken here 2. The radius is given to you 7 centimeter. 7 into 2. Then you are getting the 14 centimeter. Always you have to mention the units. Okay. Now see here. By using that diameter, you have to find out the circumference. By using radius also you can find out the circumference. Pi into d. This is the formula for circumference, and the value of pi is 22 upon 7 multiplied by 14, because diameter is 14. Now see, 14 is up and 7 is in denominator. You can divide 14 upon 7 is a 2. That's why here you are getting 2. Now 22 into 2, it will be 44 centimeter. This is the answer. How to find out the circumference. This is the formula for circumference and this is the formula for diameter. You must know the diameter. You must know the formulas. Okay, now see, in the second sum they have given you the diameter and you have to find out the radius. Already I told you radius is half of the diameter. That's why you have to divide diameter. Diameter is 28 centimeter. Divide that 28 centimeter by 2. If you divide 28 by 2, then you are getting 14 centimeter. Always you have to mention the units. Unit is compulsory because it carries half marks. Okay, now next one is circumference. In previous sum also we are using the same formula, pi into d, and here also we are using the same formula, pi into d. Now 22 upon 7 multiplied by 28. Now see, 28 is in a numerator and 7 it is in a denominator. That's why if you divide 28 by 7, then you are getting 4. That's why 22 into 4, that is the 88 centimeter. Means in this sum you are getting radius 14 centimeter and circumference 88 centimeter. Okay, it is clear to you? Students? Okay, now see, next one is, now we will move to next sum. Next sum is regarding that circumference. They have given you circumference and you have to find out the diameter. Okay, circumference is pi d. Same formula we are using here. Circumference you have to mention below the circumference, and pi value is 22 upon 7 multiplied by d. Okay, now see, if you finding the diameter, you have to shift 22 upon 7 to the left hand side. When you shifting any fraction number to the left hand side, or if suppose right hand side, left to right or right to left, their denominator and numerators are changing. Means denominator comes in numerator and numerator comes in denominator. Okay, now see here, 616 divided by 22. 616 divided by 22. If you do this division, you are getting 28. If you do this division, 616 divided by 22, then you will get 28 as a quotient, and 28 and the numerator number is 7. That's why 28 into 7 is equal to 196 centimeter. 196 centimeter. This is your diameter. Now see, again you have to find out the radius. Means radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is 196 divided by 2. Then you are getting, if you do this division, you are getting 98 centimeter. It is very simple sums. These sums are very important. Now next, fourth question is, they have given you the circumference and you have to find out the diameter. Okay, circumference formula is pi d and circumference is 72.6. Pi value you already know, 22 upon 7, or you can use second value of pi is 3.14. But in this sum they mention that you have to use pi 22 upon 7. Whatever value they mention in your sum, that value you have to use. Strictly you have to use that value only. Here they mention 22 upon 7, that's why I am using 22 upon 7 again. 22 upon 7, it is in a left hand side. When it goes to right hand side, it will be changed 7 upon 22. 7 upon 22. Okay. Now see, 7 upon 22. Here I am multiplying 72.6 multiplied by 7. I did here multiplication, that is 72.6 multiplied by 7, then you are getting 508.2. Whatever answer you are getting, you have to divide that answer by 22. If you divide that number by 22, then you are getting 23.1 centimeter. Diameter is 23.1 centimeter. Now you are getting diameter, you have to find out the radius. Already I told you that radius is half of the diameter. Means you have to divide 23.1 divided by 2. You will get the answer 11.55 centimeter. 11.55 centimeter. Okay, it is about today's video. Today's circumference circle concept. In this, if they are giving you radius, diameter, you can find out the circumference or vice versa. Okay, if you like my video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon button. Thank you for watching my video.